You know, I really hope you puppies are clean. I don't even want to tell you what happens if the secret lair gets dirty.
What did Universal just make? That was
No, I think we gotta do a Shrek 5D, whatever that means.
He's just looking at me, eating him, so we'll see how it is. All right, guys, it is time for the moment we've all been waiting for. Our Universal Studios Hollywood trip from last year. I know I've been kind of backed up, but this is the trip where we went to Halloween Horror Nights and we rode a bunch of brand new attractions at Universal, so I hope you guys enjoy. We are here at Universal Studios Hollywood. We're going to Horror Nights tonight. We're gonna spend the day in the park doing all the fun new rides that I haven't done yet, like Secret Life of Pets, the new Jurassic World ride. It's kind of confusing because it's different than how we're operating in Orlando. I believe we have to wear a mask and we have to have our vaccination card with us to get in. I just got the lowdown on how it's operating right now. Very different than Florida. If you're outside, you don't have to wear a mask, but if you go inside, you have to wear a mask. But if there's over 10,000 people in the park, then we all have to wear a mask and we have to have our proof of vaccination card with us, which we do. Very different, kind of confusing. All right, so to promote Fortnite, they have the Fortnite bus all decked out for the Halloween update. Now, Brent, welcome to Escalator World. We're not at Universal Studios. You're just gonna see escalators all day.
Ready.
I hope you're excited. There's King Kong, baby. I could not wait to see this guy lit up tonight. Now, I honestly really enjoy Hollywood Citywalk a lot more than ours in Orlando because it's a lot more whimsical, right? There's a giant dragon right there. They have giant like neon burgers for Johnny Rocket. The Ben & Jerry's has a cow shooting out upside down. And Hot Topic, they have Sam creeping around the corner right there. That's great. And at the main Universal store, they have like a spaceship. They crashed into it. Got stuff up for HHN. And as we come in, yes, even at Universal Hollywood, it's all Chucky stuff. Now, their merch is a little different because they have some different houses. So they have a shirt for The Exorcist this year. And then down here, they also have one for Halloween 4, Michael Myers. Now, it is an official HHN shirt because it has the logo on the side. And then these are all like $30. A long sleeve though, was black light reflective. The bent neck lady, Reagan, Leatherface. This is a great shirt, but then this one, hold it, it's kind of like the one that I'm wearing, but it's subtly different. They switched out Jack for Michael Myers, and they added the Exorcist Reagan's eyes right there. They even have Chucky lounge flies for $82. So if you're 12 and up, you have to have your vaccine card with you. So these guys in the umbrellas, you have to show them your vaccine card before you're allowed in. Here is the famous Universal Studios globe, and here we are, my friends, Universal Studios Hollywood. They got the front entrance set up for Horror Nights. The park doesn't close till 6, so after 6 o'clock happens, then Horror Nights starts. This is gonna be fun, man. Okay, it's a little different. The guy from Citywalk, I guess, is wrong. So the entire time that you are in Universal Studios theme park, you have to wear a mask if you're inside or outside. But at Citywalk, it's only if you're inside. It's all very confusing. The hard work it takes to make a motion picture right here. You got the sound, the cameraman, the director. We hopped into the guest relations area. I always love when you come in here, they have different props from some of the different Universal Studios shows and movies. Here's the shooting script for Alfred Hitchcock's Psycho, which is pretty cool. And then this is from the TV show Grimm. I remember that show. Back to feature behind the scenes photos. All right, so rite of passage, you have to rub his nose. Okay, it means we're gonna have a good day now. They have a Bride of Frankenstein, Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty, we're visiting from Orlando. You don't dress up in costumes over there. Have you been through the Bride of Frankenstein house yet? Is it scary? Oh no. I'm gonna scream tonight, aren't I? Yeah. All right, we're walking in. These are some of the scare zones we're gonna see later tonight, guys. Are you ladies ready for Halloween?
I don't know if we're ready for Halloween, but we're ready for her to find her boo. I'm ready for some treats, you know.
What type of sugar are you gonna be handing out then?
I got my cannolis. You should come up with cannolis later.
Oh no. Have a wonderful day. I'll see y'all later. We're visiting from Orlando. Okay?
You're visiting from Orlando? Oh man, that's like a second home to me or something like that.
We heard your ride is going away. Shrek 4D.
Shrek 4D? Yeah, they took that away like a couple of years ago, something like that. You know, we gave it the, we gave it to Kung Fu Panda for a little while, but we'll be back in there again someday, you know.
What do you want to replace Shrek 4D in Orlando then? It's going away.
Like, what's the plan for it or something?
They're thinking Minions.
Minions?
Yeah.
No, I think we gotta do a Shrek 5D.
Shrek is life! Shrek Heimbach is love!
Whatever that means. I think that's what they got to put in there. So Minions, man, the Minions, man, why the Minions? Look, I like the Minions. I don't want to, man, they throw good parties and stuff, but yeah, seriously, did they need another ride or something like that? They already got one or something like that?
Do you have any tips for Halloween Horror Nights tonight?
Halloween Horror Nights? Oh man, all that spooky stuff. They got that zombies, I ate brains of donkeys and stuff. I don't know, man. I don't really like it. I don't go in for that spooky stuff or something like that. Just get in line early. Lines are like 17-hour wait or something like that. So you get in line early or something like that. Yeah, I'm in the Jabberwocky show, but you won't recognize me because I'm in a mask. So I'm gonna be in that one night. You might want to check that out. Yeah, I got the dance moves and stuff, so it's kind of cool, you know. And that's why the reason we wear the mask, because I was too good looking.
Okay, let the escalator fun begin. I do love this view, and this is a view that a picture or video just does not do it justice, overlooking all of California. So they have a little map here showing you where everything is. So Walt Disney Studios is gonna be right over there. And Warner Brothers Studios is right here, and then that's all like Universal right there. Is this the steepest escalator you've ever seen?
As somebody that's afraid of heights, this is freaking me out a little bit. I mean, if you look out here, it looks like you're doing that water slide that just goes straight in.
Yeah, but you can get a great view of Nintendo being built over there. You got this, Brent. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. Just hang on for dear life. Yeah, look how steep it gets. And then we gotta do that one too. They have Chucky on a huge sign over here. All right, we are starting off the day, my friend, with a classic. I like ours a little better in Orlando, but we're gonna ride Revenge of the Mummy, the ride.
Now your souls belong to me!
It's a good ride, but it's not incredible like ours in Orlando because we got Brendan with a cup of coffee and there's such a more of a variety of like twists and turns and like story elements. Tonight we'll be going through The Bride of Frankenstein. We're gonna go to the Minions Cafe. We heard it was really good. Is the mac and cheese good? You look like you went through a haunted house. You look a little scared right now. It's great to finally meet you. We're visiting from Florida. You guys have dance parties out there. Yeah. All right, now the newest restaurant they just opened is the Minions Cafe. Apparently the food is also pretty good. All right, so here's like the chicken, the tenders. I think that's the pulled pork grilled cheese. They have these exclusive popcorn buckets that you can get. We have our little trays, yes, to put our food on. So you just come up and order your food. I like in the center, it's a giant Minion eye, and there's all this like Minion artwork everywhere. All right, so they have specialty cupcakes that you can get. I like these Minions cotton candy that you can get here. Yeah, we got our food. It took a little over half an hour. There's like 5 people in line. It's kind of really cold already, so we'll see how everything is. So guys, I got the pulled pork grilled cheese. It comes with banana barbecue sauce and french fries. I was gonna get the mac and cheese, but they sold out of mac and cheese and half the menu's mac and cheese, so we're going with this. The fries are pretty mediocre, nothing special about those at all. Pulled pork sandwich really good. You pour like the banana barbecue sauce on it. I really like the banana barbecue sauce. You don't get any really banana taste, but it's almost like just like a sweeter, almost like a fruity barbecue. It's a solid grilled cheese and a solid pulled pork. So I think we're doing 8 out of 10 on it. Now it's time for dessert. It's gonna be the banana pudding Minion cup thing. He's just looking at me, eating him, so we'll see how it is. It's like a thicker banana pudding. 7 out of 10. Thought it was fine, nothing crazy. Let's go ride Hagrid's. Oh wait, it's a smaller version here. There's no Hagrid, but there is an exclusive like wand spot. That's like, oh, it's all fogging up like there's a dragon behind it. Now, Universal's newest ride is Secret Life of Pets. I think I've seen the first movie. I think it was kind of forgettable, but I've heard nothing but amazing things from this attraction. So it's kind of like a slow-moving dark ride attraction. All right, so here's the brand new building, Secret Life of Pets off the Leash. This whole street is all themed to the movie. All right, we're walking in. It looks like it's gonna be Adoption Day. All right, we're going through the express lane, so it might look a little different. Adoption Day, know your neighbors. So I guess these are all the other little pets. I know Snowball, but I'm sure there's so many little fun Easter eggs on the wall. We're going upstairs now. We've entered into like apartments right now. What, they've talked to animatronics in the queue? What?
gonna win.
Oh, this is too stressful. Can't we play biscuit checkers or tic-tac-toe?
He helps all kinds of animals.
And he does it in a cave.
There we go. All right, you lucky sons of guns. Pops Puppy School is back in session. And this year we're running the Leash on all. Sign up.
Oh, there's a little snowball. How is there like animatronic after animatronic in this queue? We're not even in the ride, we're literally just in the queue. I don't know what I missed for the beginning of the queue because we're in Express, but here's Snowball talking to us.
You guys want to practice wagging your tails? You in the middle. Wiggle your butt. That's not bad. All right. Keep it down. No barking. Okay, well, a little barking. Go ahead. Y'all can let it out. You over there. Why are you so nervous? You need to be walked. Welcome to the secret headquarters of Captain Snowball. Now, I know it looks like a typical little kid's room, but that's just because it provides the perfect cover for my superhero activities. Also, it is little kids room. You know, I really hope you puppies are clean. I don't even want to tell you what happens if the secret lair gets dirty. I mean, I'll be fine, but Molly could get seriously grounded.
I like that there's a little Minion Easter egg over there. We're just hopping in like pizza boxes right now. There's a little E.T. plush over there.
Choose!
Good luck, puppies! And just remember, whatever happens, I will forget about you by tomorrow.
All right, so we're trying to get adopted by a family right now. We're both little puppies. Oh, look at us, Brad! Look at us, wave your little paw.
Don't need anything weird off the sidewalk.
Yeah, a fine night. You can go home now. You've officially seen it all. Call me, guys. I've yet to lose a single pup. But I know it. Love each other. Some of us get boxes. Some of us get super cool high-tech. This is Captain.
Oh my God, no!
What are you filthy nuts doing here?
Tell my best friend. Oh, my ears.
These rockets gonna get us to the pet store twice as fast.
Oh, Minion.
Like that. Gotta get you cleaned up first.
We made it.
This is gonna be great.
Oh God. What?
Remind me why I'm helping you puppies again?
Okay, let's see how we turned out. How do we look? Yeah! Oh, we're all wet now. Oh, the wind is hitting us. Your little paws. Will we be adopted? We're adopted.
Please, please, please.
Yeah, please, please, please.
Okay.
Go pick out a leash.
Awesome.
Yes.
Woohoo! You're good now. Remember, great owners, little to no responsibility.
Oh, it's so soft.
That's it. You guys at home?
Yeah. That's what I needed you. You were tough, but I got you home.
You guys are leaving already?
Oh, look at him.
This place.
What did Universal just make? That was, I think that was the most animatronics I think I've seen in a ride in a very, very long time. They're simple animatronics, right? It's just so much to look at. You can ride this ride dozens of times to notice something new. Wow. You know, Universal made all these screen rides, right? And they found out nobody really liked them. So this is a perfect blend of like practical effect with screens. Oh, Snowball's out right now.
Up to my streets.
Snowball.
What's up?
Hey, have you been to any of the haunted houses?
Oh, I don't do haunted houses.
Oh, you don't? Are you
It's not for me.
What are your owners gonna dress you up as for Halloween?
It's a surprise. I can't tell you.
It's a surprise?
I signed an NDA. What are you going as for Halloween?
You know what? I'm a little too old for Halloween now.
You are never too old. Who told you that? Him right here? The one laughing?
Yeah, it's him.
I
Yes.
knew it. I had a feeling. I thought you should go as a cowboy.
A cowboy? Okay.
Person.
What if there's a snake in my boot? What should I do then?
You know what? The snake might be your friend.
Okay.
Now all snakes are bad. My friend Viper was a good friend.
Okay.
He was a snake.
Have you seen Donkey along the way? Have you ever met Donkey?
We have beef.
What happened?
Let's just say, I'm just gonna keep it there.
I think you ate his waffles. I think that's what happened. I think you snuck in and ate his waffles.
Carrots were on top of them. You know when I see carrots, all I wanted. You know what I mean?
That is true. That is true.
All true.
It was great seeing you, Snowball.
It was great seeing you. Yes. All of it.
What? Okay, so they have like an actor being a puppeteer on the street. This is incredible. Universal, good job. We are kind of like running over to the tram tour right now. They shut the tram tour off at 4 p.m. because they have to get everything set for the Scared Tram tonight. Yeah, don't hate me, but you have to wait for part 2 to see if we make it on the tram or not. But don't worry, part 2 will be dropping tomorrow. Now let's take a second to talk about the Secret Life of Pets attraction. I went in with the lowest expectations possible. A kid's ride, Universal. The last one we kind of got was Minions, and that one, yeah. So I was nervous. I was truly blown away, right? So when you first go in, it's got a wonderful little facade. There's so many little Easter eggs and things to look at. You have animatronics in the queue, and then when the ride starts, there's like a 3D mapping, right, of you as the dog. So when you move your hand, the little dog in front of you moves your hand. Then when you get in the ride, there are 64 animatronics with screens, practical effects, projections. It's a very special ride. Because think about all rides that have been made for probably the past 20 years. What ride has 60 animatronics in it? What, Haunted Mansion? Pirates of the Caribbean? Back when Disney like first opened? So I think they did an incredible job. So you can ride it dozens of times and you'll see something new every single time. If you're going to Universal Studios Hollywood, I highly suggest going to ride the Secret Life Pets attraction. Now there are some rumors that it might come to Epic Universe for Universal Studios Orlando. So we'll see. I wouldn't be mad if it showed up over here. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. It really helps out the videos. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, join the family, because I will keep you up to date on all things Universal and theme park. All right guys, I'll see you tomorrow with part 2. Love you all.
Not only at a Taking Shrek 4D, we get to sit down in air conditioning. Now you gotta walk through it or something like that. Now you gotta walk around and stuff. Oh man.